That brings us to today's topic, how to back up WhatsApp on Android. If this problem traps you, please read this video for proven solutions. Way 1. Backup WhatsApp media or messages on Android to PC directly. Connect phone to PC via USB. Access phone's internal memory. Copy WhatsApp folder to desired drive. Navigate to WhatsApp folder. Select Messages. Choose Export to PC for transfer. Wait for completion. Messages stored with extension. Way 2. Backup WhatsApp on Android to computer with WhatsApp recovery. Do you want to copy WhatsApp chats from your Android device to computer for backup or further use? Well, those are where Mobican WhatsApp recovery works properly. It can back up and restore WhatsApp data. How to create WhatsApp backup for Android with WhatsApp recovery. Step 1. Install and run WhatsApp recovery on your computer. Select Recover from Android device from the left side of interface. Step 2. Connect your Android phone to this computer. Enable USB debugging on the phone, and follow the instructions on the interface to turn on end-to-end encryption for your WhatsApp backup. Step 3. After the steps above, the WhatsApp message backup starts automatically. Step 4. When the backup is done, you can now view the specifics, including WhatsApp and attachments, photos, videos, audio, documents, stickers, etc. Choose whatever you want for backup and click Recover to computer. Way 3. Backup Android WhatsApp using Google Drive. Open WhatsApp on Android, tap 3-dot icon, go to Settings, Chats, tap Chat Backup, and then Backup. For scheduled backups, tap Backup to Google Drive. Ensure correct Google account and Wi-Fi are selected. Way 4. Backup WhatsApp from Android to SD card. Unlock Microsoft Phone, open WhatsApp, tap 3 dots, select Settings, navigate to Chats, Chat Backup, Backup to Google Drive, choose Never, return to Chat Backup, click Backup. WhatsApp moves data to SD card, retains original. Way 5. Backup WhatsApp on Android over email. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to Settings, Chat History, Email Chat. Choose the conversation. Select Attach Media or Without Media. Fill in info. Press Send after entering email details. Way 6. Backup Android WhatsApp via Samsung account. Samsung only. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Select Accounts and Backup. Choose Backup and Restore Backup Data. Log into Samsung account. Select WhatsApp data. Touch Backup. Done.